Okay, so I had a friend of mine asked me about building a letter really quickly, and one way to do it in Word 2007 is using the Quickparts gallery. It's really easy to do, and here it is. I already built one. Um, Essentially, what the Quickparts gallery does is it saves all your information that you enter into it, and it looks like right here it says choose a building block. It's the building blocks gallery. Now, if you want to build your own, I'll show you how to do that in a second. But basically, how this thing works is that once you have these little content controls, they're called in here, you just click on the thing next to it, and it saves whatever you want to. It gives you a list of whatever you save to it. So basically, once you have this template, you simply go through your letters and you simply copy stuff. You highlight something, and then you go to Insert, Quick Parts. Add selection to Quick Parts Gallery. This is the Camillus Town Court, and save it in the category. I've already created New York Village Courts, and there you have it. So if I want to send this letter, and not to Baldwinsville, but to Camillus, there you have it. If I want to enter the name of a judge, or perhaps I want to, we have no judges there, we need some judge names, so we'll go with judge presiding, highlight that, go to quick parts, and save selection to quick part gallery. We'll create a new gallery. Category, we'll create new category, and we'll put judges. Okay, and this is judge presiding. Okay, and then we go back to this particular content control. Right here, dear judge presiding, and that's it. Then we want to enter the body of the letter. Go to the next, choose building blocks, and say insert letter, and then there you go. Then this stuff is just extra, and simply enter the static information, your name and so forth, mailing address, build it onto your letterhead, and then you're done. And the more you use it, the better it gets. Basically, just go through your old letters, and as you're going through your old letters, you simply save stuff to Quick Parts Gallery as you're going through, and save them to categories as they make sense to you. And after about a couple days, you'll have an effective way to write letters very quickly. And that's pretty much it. If you want to build your own, these things are on the developer tab. To show the developer tab in Word, you click on the button here, and you go to Word Options, and then you just make sure this little tab right here, Show Developer tab and ribbon, is clicked. And once you get that clicked, you can go to Developer, and then you just click this button here, Building Block Gallery, Insert a Document Building Block. You just click that, and then it comes out, and you can make these things all day long, all on your own. And one thing I have to tell you, after you build a letter, just simply save it as a template, and then you can peel off copies of it whenever you like. Choose a building block, we'll save this to the desktop, and then it'll be there for you when you need it. It's a fast way to get things done very easily, but I want to warn you that when you close it out, it's going to ask you if you want to save your selections to the Quick Parts Gallery, and you must save. Here it is. You have modified styles, building blocks, and other content that is stored in building blocks. Do you want to save changes to building blocks? Yes. Those are the new things that you add to your building block gallery, so as you use your computer, it gets more valuable as time goes on.